This is the last pretty day before the cold sets in, and I am going to take advantage of it and transform my favorite little trough planter thing into a Christmas piece that's going in the yard. Let's get started. This is what I'm working with. This is my trough. I just pulled out all the fall stuff. It's still got some dirt, one of those liners in it. And I'm just going to leave it as is because all that'll be covered, and we're going to get started. You know, the bush, the best place to put a box, right? So this is what we're going to start with. I'm going to start with one of these 4-foot unlit trees from the Dollar Tree. It's not very full. We're going to kind of use it more like a swag and a filler for this, but it was definitely cheaper than doing a whole bunch of garland and fillers and picks. All right, we've got it out of the box. We're just going to give it a little fluff. We only need to fluff one side of it because the other side's going to be flat. So I'm just pulling these, I'm keeping this side flat and just pulling these up and forward. I'm creating a nice flat back here. When you've got it nice and flat, we're just going to lay it in. I'm probably going to keep this right about 1/4. Then I'm just going to leave it like that and then start to pull some of these branches through. Grab the second tree and do the exact same process. Okay, I've got it flat, and now I'm just going to intermingle it with the one that's already here. And then fluff away. I'm pulling a few through the bottom here, make it look nice and full, kind of hide the base a little bit. We've got plenty of branches to work with here. We've got it in there, fluffed, nice, ready to go, and now we get to do the fun stuff. Okay, these are my new favorite lights this year. I love them. They come in a pack of 4. They're battery operated, and they're the thin wire that's so easy to maneuver and put wherever you want. So I'm going to put the 3 batteries. I'm just using 1 pack for this whole thing. I'll put the lights on, and then we'll get started with some more. These lights are for indoor or outdoor. I've used them on my mantle this year. I've used them on my banister. I've got a tabletop swag that I've done, and I am using these battery-powered lights for almost everything this year. They come with a remote. You can put them on a timer. You can also change the sequence of how they're flashing and what they look like. You know what? I think I want to use 2 packs. Let me go grab some more batteries. I have got some leftover ornaments that I did not use inside, and I'm going to pull those outside. Michael's actually has some really cute outdoor ornaments. If you need some this year, they're adorable. I would suggest grabbing it from there. But okay, let's get this thing decorated. Got some deco mesh. I'm going to just start shoving this in here, making some loops and see what that looks like. Deco mesh is so forgiving to work with. You just give it a little twist, a little fluff, and it takes up a lot of space in your arrangement, and it looks really nice. Just take 2 branches, give it a little twist, and it's going to hold that deco mesh down for you. Okay, the deco mesh is done. Next, we're going to go in with some ornaments. I've got these garlands that I've used all over the house. I think I'm going to throw those in and see what that looks like. All right, next I've got some ornaments, some big shiny silver ornaments. We'll put these in here, see what they look like. And then I've got some of these snowflakes. These were outside last year on my door as well. Just shove those in. All right, guys, I think I'm done. Can't wait to see what it looks like at night. It's gonna be so pretty. If you like this video, follow Finding Easy for more.